received the product wrapped in this packaging, 2 vials. If you take a look at the Pet Corrector, you give it a good shake and you spray it. That's the noise that they're talking will scare your pets. For those of you who are IT folks, this is a can of compressed air. The same compressed air that you use to clean your computers, you can buy it a lot cheaper at Staples. It's funny packaged as Pet Corrector, but the can is even cold, just like your compressed air. That's really what they're selling you for 20 bucks. Just so that you know, the size of a cup, this is about what you're getting. And that's a solo cup.
Hi, Ryan.